Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we finally are unboxing my October Boxycharm base box. So excited. I feel like every month they come later and later in the month, so I was like waiting around for it, but it's finally here and I am unboxing it for you guys. So that is what today's video is all about. Before we get into it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you love these kinds of videos, anything about makeup or self-tan, definitely make sure to subscribe. But if you want to see me unbox this, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, like I said, this is my October base box. I have been waiting long and hard for this, and it's finally here. So we are going to unbox it. Just like with every other Boxycharm box that we unbox and film, I'm not aware of anything that's in here. I have no idea what's in it. I always like to keep it a surprise so that it's more fun when I open it up and see what I got. I just like little surprise gifts to myself every month, so why not? But yeah, we are gonna get this open. I already took the latch off, but I promise I have not peeked inside. I don't know what's in here. I just didn't want to struggle with it in the video. So I took that off. Now we are pulling this up, and as usual, it just has the hashtag and the Instagram handle, and it says hello charmer. Very, very cute. And then inside we just have the Boxycharm logo in hot pink. Love it. And then we have the little card that I'm gonna read off of so that I can give you guys some information on what I got. And this is already freaking adorable because it says Boxycharm and then it's spellbound. It's very Halloween-y because it is October. On the back here is where I'll be reading off of. So we're just gonna get into the products. We're going to see what this box is all about. So the first product is from Tarte. Yay. It is the Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. That sounds very interesting. It says, like an espresso shot for under your eyes, a vegan skin-loving eye cream that reduces the appearance of puffiness and dark circles for a refreshed, youthful look. The weightless, water-based formula gives a lifted effect and is clinically proven to deliver 24-hour hydration. It helps firm and fight signs of aging with HydroFlex technology and create a crease-resistant base. And it goes for $35. Let's see where this is. Ooh, I'm super excited about this. So for my birthday, which was last month, my sister got me a skincare fridge that keeps just like some of my stuff cool. Like I like to put eye patches in there. I put like jade rollers in there. Just stuff that I want to be cold when I put on my face. And this is definitely gonna be one of those that I keep in there. It's literally right next to me right now, and I'm gonna put it in here right after this. But this is what it looks like in here. It's like this adorable seafoam green and white packaging. Let's see what this looks like on the inside. Let me just take this seal off. Oh my god, these kinds of seals, I like that they do this, but it hurts my fingers trying to take this off. Like it's on there. So, oh, I got it. Okay. I'm just gonna take a little bit off the cap and just swatch it on the back of my hand just so we can see how it, well, this is kind of a lot for under the eyes, but too late. I'm just gonna spread it on there. Oh my god, this feels good. I wish you guys could feel this. It literally, it feels like water, but it's not like lightweight at the same time. Like it definitely is a little bit of a thicker eye product, but in a really, really, really good way. It has no smell at all, which I'm super, super happy about. I'm gonna have to play around with this more, but it feels really, really, really nice on the back of my hand. Like I feel like it just gave me an extra little boost of hydration. So I'm definitely gonna have to keep you guys updated on this. I'm really excited to try it out, and I'm literally putting it in my skincare fridge right now so I can keep it cold for when I do put it under my eyes, which I'm going to do right after this video when I take my makeup off. So I'll let you guys know about this one. Next on our list here, we have from Acebutte, Falling For You palette. The Falling For You palette represents some of your most favorite things about the fall season. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. And it goes for $34.99, so $35 as well. So taking it out, this is what it looks like. I love the orangey yellow colors. It just gets me so excited because fall is my favorite time of the year. And then taking it out of this box, it's the exact same thing. So very, very, very cute. And then opening this up, oh my God, these are bright. Okay, I was not expecting that. I thought this was gonna be like nice, neutral, toned down fall colors, but these are all very bright colors. I'm gonna swatch them really quick and then I will be right back to show you guys what they look like. All right, so I just swatched them and I'm super, super impressed with these colors. They're all so vibrant and pigmented and beautiful. I'm really, really impressed with how these swatches came out, and I feel like they're going to be just as great on the eyes. For me personally, I don't really see myself grabbing for this palette too much, just because you guys know I'm more of a natural glam kind of person, as you can see on my face right now. So I don't see myself really wearing these too often. I have promised myself though that I'm gonna try to break out of my shell and experiment a little bit more with colors. So maybe I will, but as of right now, I absolutely love how these look, just looking at them right this, all so pigmented, all so beautiful, so creamy, so just nice. But I don't know how often I would reach for this, just because for me personally, I prefer more neutral colors. But if you're somebody that loves bright colors, I feel like this is a really, really nice choice because look at this pigment. I wasn't expecting them to be this pigmented and to go on this nicely, but wow, all of these colors are beautiful. It's a yes. I'm gonna have to play around with this though. I told myself that I would try more colors, so I'm gonna try to do that with this, and then hold me accountable. Ask me about this later and I will try to get back to you guys on this. But next up we have from Hanalei Beauty Company. It's the matte bronzer. So this is a new brand to me. It says, glow like a Hawaiian goddess with a cruelty-free natural matte bronzer. This long wearing powder gives you that sun-kissed look, fresh from a day at the beach. The unique formula applies smoothly. Apply with a brush to define cheekbones and enhance your natural beauty. And it goes for 25 bucks. So here is what the packaging looks like on this. Super, super cute, and the description just makes it sound amazing. So let's see what this looks like inside here. Oh, this is so cute. I really, really like this packaging. I feel like this would be so travel friendly because it's not super heavy packaging that you're scared it's gonna break, and it's so like cute and little. Let's open this up. Okay, I already love this because it's like, it looks more of a cool brown to me. It's not like very, very warm or orangey. So this would be a nice little contour shade, but let me just swatch this on the back of my hand for you guys so we could see. So with a tan, I feel like it's pretty close, I would say. Sorry, my hands, my self-tanner on my hands is so bad. Please do not comment on that. Please don't come for me. But it seems like it's pretty similar, but I do really, really like how cool this is. And it's really, really creamy and soft. So right now it's applying really nicely on the back of my hand. Actually, let me just apply a little bit on my cheeks just so we can see what it looks like. I already have bronzer on, so I don't know how effective it'll be, but just to try it. Sorry, my hair's in the way. What do you guys think? I feel like it did give me a little more drama to my face, and I really love it. It came off of the brush really nicely and easily and evenly. I don't see any patchiness. I know I just put a little bit on, but it's really cute, and so far I really like it. So I will keep you guys posted on that too, of course. Next is from CAMARA, AUNIQUE Beauty. I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. This is also a new brand to me. It's the Merry Lash. This is the most natural lash in the collection and is perfect for the woman who wants to keep it real with her beauty. It's a soft and light whisper lash that looks perfect on all eye shapes, and it's 25 bucks. Okay, I actually am obsessed with this. Look at this already. These are beautiful. Oh my goodness. And the packaging reminds me of like the MAC eyelashes, how they do their packaging, and I really, really like it. But wow, oh my God. And these are exactly my kind of lashes too. I've been a lot more into natural lashes lately, so I feel like this is gonna fit right into my collection. They're very soft too, like when I touch them. I think I'm gonna like these. And I really like how just like thin and invisible this band is. So if I wanna do like a really light look and just pop some lashes on, this is gonna be really, really nice. I can't try them on for you guys because I have lashes on already, but again, I'll keep you updated on this so I let you guys know if I like it or not. But anyways, next product is from Appeal Cosmetics, also new to me. It's the Adhesive Liquid Liner. This is the newest and most innovative way to apply your faux lashes. Okay, that's perfect timing. Step aside tubes of glue. This ultra fine liner is easy to apply and a hot way to spice up any eye look. And it's $29, so I would say pretty standard for this kind of a product. But let me see, let me take it out of the packaging. This is really cute, by the way. It's just black, gold, and white. All right, here is what this looks like. Appeal Adhesive Liquid Liner, and it's jet black. Perfect. It literally looks like an eyeliner pen. Let's see how it feels. I don't want to ruin my brand new lashes that I just got. I have some old ones just sitting on my counter right here. Don't judge me. But let's see if they stick onto this. It is sticking on. Look at this. Okay. It feels pretty sturdy too. I'm not gonna lie. Like I'm like messing around with it and it feels pretty sturdy. This is actually really cool. Okay, you just put those lashes away so I don't confuse it for a spider and freak out, because I do that a lot. I really like this. And it's not like, it doesn't feel sticky and gross either. I know it's just on my hand, but it feels really nice for just being on my hand too. And it doesn't like smudge, which I really appreciate. So far, I really like this. Again, I have to try it on my eyes with some lashes and then I'll let you guys know. But just from what I'm seeing right now, I really like this concept. I hate eyelash glue. I hate how messy it is. And I hate how it just like doesn't stick half the time. So this I could get used to if it works. But that is all 5 products. I think I covered everything on our list. I really like this month's box. I think all of these products are really interesting and really unique, and I'm so excited to play around with them a lot more. I don't think there's a product in this box that I didn't like or I wasn't excited about. All of them just have something that makes me like anxious to try them out. So very, very exciting. You guys let me know though what you think about them. That's it for today's video. Make sure to comment. Again, like I said, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. Let me know if you got the same box that I did or if you got something different in yours. Also let me know, because I love to know these things. And just say hi. Just give me your thoughts on everything. Say hello. I love talking to you guys. Give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next video.